we're happy to have you on our regular meet that we have with our Lonvest team. And during these meetings, we usually um, discuss our progress within the certain time. Right now, we're going to be discussing the progress in the um Q4 for our Mexico project. This video is specially for our investors on the Lonvest platform, and as a part of our commitment in transparency, we're doing this Q&A sessions and presentations about our progress regularly. So this is our presentation, and along with me, our CEO of Clicredito Mexico project, Tamara. Hi, Tamara.
Yeah, hi Ron.
Yeah. Okay. So I think we're gonna begin with the presentation, and later, if you're gonna have any questions from the audience or you're gonna need more details, we can share more details later. Uh, so first of all, I want to remind or tell, if you just joined us, I want to tell some details about our group. So Lonvest platform in general is a part of the Space Crew Finance group, and we shared it already a lot of times, and we shared our path. But I wanna have some couple minutes and to tell you how it started and how it's going right now. So I'm the founder of the group, which started in 2016, so it almost 9 years. We started in Ukraine, and our headquarters right now still in Ukraine, but it's obviously spread all around the world. So mostly the members of headquarter right now in Europe. So we started in 2016 with our prime project, My Credit in Ukraine, which was one of the very successful projects in the payday lending industry in Ukraine. So we reached, I don't know, top 3 number in 18 months, and then after we got funded and by the big banking group that call is TAS group. And after that, we have already, like, I don't know, like around 30% market share, a lot of brands in Ukraine. This was one of our primary markets. Since then, in 2019, we decided to go globally, and our expansion started with Vietnam. Then we went to Sri Lanka. We also launched business in Poland, as well as recently Mexico. So this is right now we're in the middle of our global expansion, which we found very promising since we're already in the business for a long time. We understand the product and our customers, the subprime customer segment, pretty good, and we're like expanding right now. And Lonvest is a very important. Lonvest part is very important platform for our group in general, because together with our investors, we can expand faster with giving the opportunity for investors to get passive income and to be a part of the business, actually, because we're sharing this and we're telling about what we're doing, where we're going next. And this kind of presentation we'll try to keep regularly, to be more transparent and to answer all your questions. And in 2024, we launched Mexico, a project with the brand Click Credito. And today we're going to be sharing more insights about our progress within the last 3 months. Also, a couple words about why Mexico. So basically, we found Mexico pretty interesting market, since the population is pretty big. GDP is constantly growing, and the currency is more or less stable, because, like, yeah, of course, in a lot of countries, currencies can be volatile, but in Mexico we find it more stable than in other markets that we are operating. For example, Sri Lanka, or markets like this, like that. And the market in subprime lending is still not that competitive. So we have around 8 companies on the market, which is for the 130 million population is not that big number of companies. For example, in Ukraine with I don't know 35 million population, we have in like 20 brands. So I believe that Mexico have a strong perspective in terms of development of this segment of market. And of course, very important that there's no limit on the interest. There's transparent legal construction. So we decided to go on for this market. Um, Now talking about our performance with the last 3 months, I will Toma. Can you join us? Toma is the CEO of our Click Credito project, so she can share more details on that.
Yeah, hi to everyone. We started from July 2024, and as we see on this graph, so we have significant increase in applications, in portfolio, in loans issued from July up to January 2025. Right now, total our portfolio, total our amount of loans disbursed was 2.4 million USD. It's really fast growing because as you saw on first month we disbursed only 2,000 USD. Yeah, and right now each month we're growing and we disbursed more and more. Next slide,
Okay.
please, Rowan.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. We're going to the next slide.
Yeah, we operating from 2 countries. Our headquarter, as Roman told, is in Europe, and local team working in Mexico City and our total team now it's more than 30 persons, more than 40 40 persons into our offices. Right now we have in Mexico City country manager Alex who helped me manage all our team and operational team, and also all operational team is are in Mexico City, because we have verificators team, we have telesales team, and collection. It's biggest part of our team. Yeah, and IT team, marketing team operating from our headquarters.
Cool. Cool. So
What next?
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So here a couple words is that are like uh, basic setup is for the market is that the operation team and the verification and collection team is the local team, and
Mm-hmm.
the headquarters is supporting with the know-how in terms of risk management, in terms of marketing, and lead generation, and in terms of like product, IT, and stuff like that. So this is the model that we already like tried in the different markets, and it's working. So we're like keep moving according to this one.
Yeah. What we did in last year, in 2024, in November, we launched our first app. First app was launched on Android. Why Android? Because in Mexico, more than 90% of total users, total device users using exactly Android, and only 10% is iOS users. So for us, it's really high opportunity and really big opportunity. Increase our performance, increase functionality, and also which advantages we have with our application. It's that it's faster, more secure, and integrated functionality compared to web platforms. And also we can increase our customer retention and engagement. So Android right now we started from Android app, and in nearest future we will launch our iOS app.
Cool.
What about marketing? During these 7 months which we operating on Mexico market, we see that we increased and we growing month by month with our traffic, and now we cooperating successfully cooperating more than with 20 web and app our partners. Also we tested we expanded our Google advertising and tested meta ads. And what else? We fully automated our notifications for advertising. We are all our different channels. It's emails, SMS, WhatsApp more. WhatsApp in general is the main channel for Mexican market, which we using what using by our clients. So for us was very important to launch this channel, and now we successfully can communicate with all our clients via this channel. And during these 7 months, we generated around 160,000 loan applications. It's really high numbers for us.
Yeah, it's showing the strong demand on the market,
Yeah.
and yeah, looks very promising since we still don't have the top capacity in the amount of advertising budget or amount of effort, I would say. So
Mhm.
this shows that the market is promising.
The main thing which we focusing, it's risk part of our business. It's how to prevent fraud on our product, and what we do during our KYC verification anti-fraud work. So right now we integrated liveness, launched live face recognition, and auto comparison with clients' documents. It give us possibility clearly understand that it's real person, that this person upload his or her photo, not from physical photo, like that it this photo making during registration, that this real person. And for us also when we compare photo on document and photo from selfie, so we can clear understand that it's the same person. And it's really improve our risks, really improved. Next step, what we doing? We doing automatically account holder check. We are our majority partners STP, and it's called penny validation, because during this process we sent some penny to account to account of our client and checking its real account and or no. Next step, it's document verification. We checked client documents that they provided to us on two different government databases because we trust to governments and we understand that they have real information which we can through which we can checking clients documents. Also, as I told that WhatsApp is the main channel for communication, we also using WhatsApp confirmation. We verifying the client's WhatsApp number for authenticity. Sorry. And next, if needed, next step, it's manual KYC verification through our verificators team. So we make a verification code to confirm client's identity. It's our general flow how we do it. Also, what we planned for next this year to 2025, we want to improve our processes like make faster flow from registration up to money, and for this we will provide we want to launch auto approval in March 2025. Also, now we are working on separate scoring model to each our platforms because as we saw that traffic is different with quality, different behavior, and right now we are preparing for separate scoring model to each platforms. And also we will improve our anti-fraud rules using external partners data.
Cool. Yeah. So what I want to add is, in general, the one of big advantages of this digital lending business model is that we can work fully online. So in terms of customer verification, in terms of everything. So for the customers, it's very easy and convenient way to receive money whenever they need. But the backside is the fraud and potential risks on this on the fraud prevention. So that's why we focus very much, and we implement a lot of tools in order to be 100% sure that the customer is a real customer and stuff like that. And this is one of also our legacy for the last 9 years. We've been working to build the best possible fraud prevention strategy as we can. Okay.
Yeah. Next, which really important for us, it's our collection processes because we have like full full process. It means that we disburse and we need to collect this money, and that's why what was done on 2024. It's in July we implemented change in callers ID to improve our contact rates because in Mexico contact rate it's really really bad, and we need to find way how to improve, how to communicate with our clients and our debtors also. Next one, it's communication channels. Now we 100 of our clients verified via WhatsApp, and we enabled our SMS. Right now we have we automated all reminders via SMS, via WhatsApp, via emails, and now trying to use different channels for communications like Skype, Telegram, etc. And we have a different product in our collections. It's extension loans. We give opportunity to our clients extend their loans if they cannot pay in full immediately. And also we launched a restructuring option. Now we cooperating with different we have in-house processes, and we cooperating with collection agencies on high buckets, and they helped us to collect on high DPD, and now also on pre-collection, 50% of our pre-due portfolio we processing by collection robot. It's like robocalling. We didn't use in full manpowers on this bucket, because we see that we can increase number of calls automatically more faster than we need to hire, teach, and working via people source. Yeah. And what our upcoming plans now, preparing for integration with auto debit system. Now we start working with this auto debit. It's really improve our results, and we preparing for sending physical letters to our clients, because we also think that and believe that this will improve our recovery rate and reduce our defaults. And now we preparing for legal collection processes. We want to start work with legal agency, and after that they will help us go to court, and we will also, for us important, start with legal processes, because it also will improve our financial results.
Okay, cool. I will move to another one.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yes, and our plans for nearest future. It's not for not in general, but nearest plans, that we increased interest rate from the beginning of this year. We increased, and now we see that for us it's better and more profitable. Also, average loan amount, right now we have around, for new clients, around $50, and around $90 for repeaters. Our plans increase ticket for new and for repeaters, because it will help us to for our retention, because clients always want receive more money, and we will give them this opportunity for best segment of our clients. And also our long term, now it's around 16-18 days, depend on its new or repeat clients. We want to increase loan amounts and loan durations, because also for market, it's normal situation when client have longer term and bigger amount. And also our goal is disbursed around 9,000 new loans per month, expand portfolio with repeat clients, and we will improve our operations with improved processing capacity and technology. So it's our nearest plan for this year.
Cool. Thank you, Toma. Yeah. So okay, I want to share more about the presentation in general. So as I mentioned, this is exclusive presentation for Lonvestors, for our investors and friends, which is the part of our commitment for transparency. So we'll updating you on the very particular details like applications or risk tools that we're using or any kind of different approach, so you will be more in details in the business. And also we're updating about our current trends in terms of disbursement. So as Toma mentioned, we plan to disburse new 9,000 every month, so it means that we have enough capacity for investment. And yeah, so thank you so much for having us. Thank you, Tamara. We're super open for any kind of questions. We have different tools, Telegram chats, emails, or any kind of way you want to contact us. And see you next time. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you, Roman. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Окей. Так, я нажал остановить.
Все, ты остановил эту
Да,
запись.
остановил. Там